has taken the world by storm, and I'm not surprised. These 8 to 10 step routines basically are very specific, layering on the products in a way that they really look after your skin and make them look healthy, glowing and younger. Hi guys, I'm Aanam and today I'm going to show you a really easy to do Korean skincare routine. If you're new on this channel, make sure you guys hit subscribe here on Be Beautiful. Now if you're thinking that I'm going to have you rub snail slime or bee venom on your face, you're highly mistaken. At least for today. Today I've kept this routine extremely easy breezy to make sure even beginners can understand what each step does and hopefully do it on a regular basis for that flawless skin at home. The steps we're going to do today are: we're going to wash our face with water, then we're going to cleanse it with oil, we're going to use toner, we're going to go ahead and use some essence on our face, some serum, we're also going to make sure we look after our under eyes. Apart from that, we're going to go into moisturizer, something I absolutely never skip, and some sunscreen. So the first step that we're going to do today is to clean out the face with just water. Keep in mind that when you clean your face out with water, water in itself is really great for your skin. It adds to the hydration of your skin. But when you use water just by itself, it's only good enough to clean out any impurities that have settled on your face from the previous night only. It's not enough to really completely, thoroughly clean your face. Which brings me to the second step of the routine. For the second step of the routine, I would recommend going in with a cleansing oil. The cleansing oil I'm going to be working with today is the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Rinse Off Cleansing Oil. Now the advantage of a cleansing oil is that it's really able to clean off the oil-based impurities on your skin, like the sebum, pollution or any really heavy dirt and dust. Another thing you want to keep in mind is that if there's any residue SPF from the previous day, this baby will take it off. Oil-based cleansers are the base of a Korean skincare routine, so I definitely recommend you look something like this up that's lightweight and will do the job correctly. Just 2 to 3 pumps of this is more than enough to clean your face. Plus the fact that this has argan oil as its main ingredient makes it really great to just nourish and look after your skin beautifully. Once you apply it on your face, you will actually see that the texture almost becomes like a milk-based cleanser. Clean your face with circular motions or in upward strokes to look after your skin's health while you're cleaning it. Don't forget about your neck, that's really important too. Now for the third step, we're going to use a toner. So what does a toner do? A toner basically makes sure that if there's absolutely any cleanser residue or dirt residue stuck on your face, the toner will take it out. In addition to this, the toner really looks after your pores. So if at all you have any dirt, any gunk, any kind of pollution in really small sizes that's creating an obstruction on your pores, your toner will look after this. Apart from that, your toner also preps your skin and just in general preps your pores to make sure that your skin absorbs the moisturizing products that you're about to use next. What I like to do is take a toner that I can spray on my face, and then with the help of a cotton pad, I'll just wipe off any excess product that there may be on my face. As you can see, even though I thought I cleaned my face out, the toner was able to pull out all the residue dirt that would have otherwise been settled in my pores for so long. So once you're done with the toner, you want to go ahead and use an essence. Now a lot of people tend to confuse an essence for a serum, but let me tell you that they're different products. An essence is basically like a love child between a toner and a serum. It basically is that extra level of hydration that works really beautifully for your skin. It's super lightweight and very often it's packed with nutrients and antioxidants. It also is meant to penetrate several layers deep to make sure that it really adds value to your Korean skincare routine. All you need to do is take a little bit of essence in either of your hands, put them in together and gently tap them into your skin. Now for the fifth step of our skincare routine, we're going to go ahead and pull out the big guns. I'm talking about serum. Serum basically comes with a high number of active ingredients that helps target specific concerns. It could be hyperpigmentation, scars, or even aging. Keep in mind that whatever your requirement is, there is a serum for you. Today I have an oil-based serum which is really great for my dry and often dull skin. This comes with Moroccan argan oil that penetrates deep into the layers of my skin because of how concentrated the product is. At the same time, it's also really lightweight. It's said that Korean women have really nice, smooth, firm skin because they use their serums daily. So let's make sure we try to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and take a couple of drops of this on my hand and then gently apply it all over my face and neck. This is really great for my skin because I have dry skin, and since this penetrates many layers deep within, the active ingredients really help in fighting the dryness and the dullness through the oil base that it has. Oil-based products are the base of a good Korean skincare routine, so this one is my pick. So the 6th step of my Korean skincare routine is going to be using an under eye cream or an under eye moisturizer. The reason we use a specific under eye product is because the skin under the eyes is extremely delicate and very thin. You want to make sure that you're hydrating it, moisturizing it, and looking after specific skin concerns you might have, like under eyes, crow's feet, or just wrinkles. 2 of the most important filters that I'm going to give you while identifying an under eye product for yourself is A, to make sure that it's sensitive enough and doesn't irritate your under eyes in any way, and second, make sure it is targeted for the concern that you might have for your under eyes. So moving on to the 7th step of our Korean skincare routine, we're going to talk about moisturizer. Now, moisturizer comes in various forms. It could be gel, lotion, emulsion, cream, and in case they come up with something new. I always like to make sure that the moisturizer I'm using is really nice and lightweight. My particularly favorite thing about using this brand is that it has absolutely no chemicals, no perfumes, no dyes, nothing add-on that could trouble my skin, making it really great for you as well if you have sensitive skin. Make sure you massage it in gently. You want to make sure that you get something that doesn't bother your skin but at the same time does its job, and obviously please make sure that when you're selecting your moisturizer you keep your skin type and your specific skin concerns in mind. And finally, we've come to the last step of this Korean skincare routine, which is sunscreen. Make SPF your best friend because just using sunscreen by itself can really help delay, push back any premature signs of aging that start showing up on your skin. Make sure you choose a sunscreen that works well for your skin type. Pay special attention if you have sensitive skin. Also make sure that your sunscreen is the last step in your skincare routine. You don't want to dilute it with any of the other products. This way it can be that protective layer between your skin and the sun rays. Go ahead, pick your sunscreen, dot it all over your face and neck. Please don't forget about the neck, and gently massage it all in. You can go ahead and wear your makeup on top of the sunscreen, but make sure you get into the habit of wearing that sunscreen regularly for sure. While following this skincare routine, try and make sure you let the product sink into your skin before you go into the next step. I'm really hoping that you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Make sure you guys try it out and feel free to tweak things up, change things around based on your personal preferences and your skin type. Obviously, you know your skin best. Before you go, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel.